Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hold your friend's hand in Heartopia game. Okay, here I'm with my friend guys, and you can click on this interaction icon to do the hold hand interaction and choose this interaction, and ask your friend to click on this icon. Once your friend click the interaction, you can bring your friend to anywhere that you want. And to unlock this interaction, guys, you only need level 1 and your friendship. And yeah, this is a cool feature in Heartopia game. I really love this feature. Okay guys, and that's how you can hold your friend's hand and do the hold hands interaction in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.